I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Today I'm going to share with you a really quick and easy way to make a cupcake tray that will make your Valentine's treat extra special. So let's jump into today's project. With Valentine's Day just a few weeks away, I thought this would be a great time to start making a cupcake tray for some of the special events that will be coming up over the next few weeks. And I went to the Dollar Tree, I picked up the large silver tray and several bunches of rose bushes. And I thought the pink would be so pretty. And I apologize if it clashes with my red shirt, so it was a bad idea, bad wardrobe choice. So anyway, what I did is I took some pliers and I removed the tops of the roses from the bush. From the rose bush, and then I'm just going to take hot glue and I'm going to glue those on the edge, and it's that simple, but the result is really truly pretty. So let's get started with the glue gun. So I have one glued on and I'm just gluing it on the very edge. There's actually a nice flat edge on this tray, so it makes it easy to glue the rose on. So I actually picked up a couple of different size bushes. The blooms are different sizes. That was kind of by accident because I went a few times to get supplies because I wasn't really sure. I was just kind of letting my creativity bloom, if you will. And then I realized that I had different sizes, but I think it will actually look really pretty to have the different sizes. They're all kind of the same color though. So just glue those on and you can already see how pretty this is starting to look. You could do this in any color. This would be great for a bridal shower or just some kind of girly festive event. So just make sure those are on there well. You want them to be tight. I mean, you didn't pay much for them, so you can use all you need to. So I am going to continue to glue this on, and then I will show you the finished project. But this is going to be, I think, really, really beautiful. I truly love how this project turned out. It's so quick, easy, and very inexpensive, and it really makes a very simple cupcake look extra special. So I hope you give this project a try. Give me a comment down below and let me know how you might use this project. I think it would be perfect for bridal showers, baby showers, and even a Kentucky Derby party. You know how those ring of the roses around the horse's neck are? I think this would be such a fun way to display Kentucky Derby party cupcakes. So I hope you have a sweet and unique day. I would love it if you would come back and hit subscribe so that you don't miss any future content. And I will see you on the next project.